Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you may have noticed from the caption, we are going to do a pretty big and kind of dramatic change in my apartment, which is the bathroom, and I'm so excited to get started on it. It's kind of funny that I'm saying we're gonna get started even though like the bathroom is done right now. I just haven't filmed the intro, and also I forgot to film the first half of the bathroom makeover for this YouTube video. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit of explanation of what I did to the bathroom and then what I'm gonna be doing afterwards. It's been like 11 months since I moved into this apartment. Actually, every single apartment I've moved into, I never decorate the bathroom because I'm just gonna go in there and like pee, poop, take a bath, take showers, like brush my teeth, wash my face. Like I'm not gonna spend my time in there, which I was wrong. Oh my god, after getting this bathroom done, I was in there for so much longer, like especially taking baths. But yeah, I'm very happy that I did it because like now it's like literally actually the favorite room that I love to go into, which is funny. Also, if you may have noticed, there's a few new things. Actually, you can't really see it, but the one thing that is new is this rug, which I want to make a video about it, not about like the rug, but I want to make a video about all the new things that I've gotten recently, and also kind of give you guys an update because there's just a lot of like changes throughout my apartments. So I definitely gonna want to make another video for that, and that might be the next video. And if you guys look on the coffee table, there is a magazine right there, and this is me. I literally cannot believe that I'm in the magazine. Like little Loy is crying and screaming right now. This is Cap 74024 and they're based in Italy, Milan. I'm literally on the last page. Like this is the very last page. They saved the best for last, of course. Honestly, I kind of wish I was in the middle or somewhere. It's that way, like when I open up the book and display it, it doesn't look like a little weird, but I am grateful. Here's a little close-up and home pictures and words. It's by me. If you guys want to read it, it's on my Instagram. Let's go! If you think this is bad, you're wrong. It feels like a crime scene in here. We're gonna install a new mirror, which I'm so excited for, and we're also installing a new light because the one that we have is so ugly. This is what I've done so far to the wall. We still need to install a smaller strip of the contact paper, which it won't be hard. So right here, where I have the little paint writing on it, because I'm gonna paint from here up. That way, when I'm installing the last panel, it will be seamless with the paint. We're gonna do blue from here all the way up, and then we're also gonna do blue for the ceiling. But for the back, I am contemplating if I should add these 4 tile to the back or paint the back. Another thing I'm gonna do today is installing a new contact paper to the countertop because I absolutely hate this fake grainy, I don't even know what it calls, but I need to do that. And then I'm gonna put plywood all around this and make new doors. So this is gonna be totally completely different. I'm not sure if I want that back here, but we'll see. And right there where Kobe is, do you see that little red ball thingy? Yeah, that's a hanger. And I'm gonna put it like right here. And I feel like that would be really cute. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Actually gonna clean up the whole entire thing because we're about to paint and we can't have like all the mess in here. So yeah, let's clean up and paint. Good morning, and this is day 2 of designing my dream bathroom. Last night I put up the mirror, finished up all of the tiles, and for today I'm gonna finish up giving my wall a second coat of paint. And then on this wall I'm gonna remove those and probably gonna add tiles to the whole entire wall. At first I was gonna paint the wall on that side too and then add the tiles, so like the same exact thing. But I feel like, imagine if you're like taking selfies and then the whole entire wall would be like just tiles. I feel like that would be so cool. I also ordered some contact paper, so we're gonna be doing that next. I kind of want to replace the faucet. I'm 100% keeping this. It's so cute. I just need to organize a little more. And I'm also gonna be adding peel and stick vinyl to the floor, so stay tuned for that. As for the lamp, I'm gonna have to wait for it to come, so I don't know when I'm gonna be installing this. But yeah, let's get started. So about day 2, my friend asked me to go out with them and I just say yes, and we never worked on the bathroom. But today, like literally right now, I'm gonna work on the side of the wall. I'm gonna install the peel and stick tiles. I also want to give you guys an update of like how the tiles is holding up. I usually took really long shower and like a really hot shower, and so there's a lot of condensation in here, but so far it's not peeling or anything. I mean, like maybe a little bit, but that's just because it's like at the very edge, so I kind of have to like push it down sometimes, but it's still holding up really well. I'm super excited because the lamp is coming tomorrow, so we're gonna put that up. I'm a little scared though, just because the space between that outlet right there and the mirror is a little too close to each other, and the lamp might be touching the mirror. But if that happens, I'm gonna move the mirror down just a little bit so it won't touch. I don't mind moving the mirror down too, just because there is a lot of space right here. The only thing I don't want to do that in the first place is that I have to drill onto the wall and I don't want to damage the tiles, but that's okay because I have a lot of extras. Right now I'm using the claw picture hanger that hold up to 65 pounds, which is crazy, but yeah, it's literally holding it by that little tiny thing right there that you don't have to like screw the holes. You just like push it against the wall and then it just like stays. So we're gonna take these down and then prep the wall and then install the peel and stick tiles. Let's go! Hello, it's currently 3 in the morning and I can't sleep. I'm literally in my pajamas, like ready to go to bed, but like I cannot sleep, so let's finish this wall up. Also, look how cool it is. Oh my god, like the difference is insane. But yeah, I'm really happy that I did the whole entire wall with the peel and stick tile because it looks so cool when I'm like videoing or taking pictures. Like, oh, so good. I'm not even lying, it's literally 3. So let's put on the Apothecary Diaries and finish up the wall. I only have 9 left and it can only fit this way all the way up. I still need more for this wall, so I'm gonna have to order more, and this side of the wall also. But we're just gonna work with whatever we can. Yeah, let's go. Here we go. we're done. No, because it looked insane. Like, are you kidding me? The whole entire wall is covered in the peel and stick tile. Also, I put my little toothbrush here, so cute. And now we're gonna be working on the floor. I'm gonna be installing peel and stick tiles to the floor. It's gonna be white and red. And then later we're gonna take everything down and then paint the door red. I honestly don't know what to do to this wall yet. Like I might add tiles all the way through or paint it all blue. That might not work because if I paint it all blue, it's gonna crash with the red a little bit because the trim is gonna be like pinkish. I could just keep it like this because it doesn't really bother me. But for now, let's just go ahead and start working on the floor and then we'll worry about the rest later. I got paint on my rug. Look at this. I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Since we're getting near to the end, I want to do a little bit of recap before I finish this bathroom up. So far, I spent 2 days straight installing the peel and stick tiles, painting my wall and the ceiling blue. I also removed the mirror and replaced it with this really fun mirror. Installed the peel and stick checkered floor. I also added peel and stick to my countertop and changed out the hardware and even painted my door red, which is literally insane. Most of these are renter friendly except for changing the mirror and paint the wall and also paint the door, but I did get permission from my landlord, so that's why I'm doing all of this. For the final section, I'm going to be installing my new lamp, which I'm so excited for. I'm also going to be installing a toilet paper holder and put up my, actually let me show you, this really cool towel holder from Design Within Reach, and it literally matches the vibe, obviously because it's blue and red. That's the whole theme, but yeah, we're gonna be putting it up like right here. Let's get started. before showing you guys the final product, I want to say thank you so much for watching it all the way through. Hopefully this video is not too long, so I'm not gonna talk much, but I can't believe how my bathroom changed so much. I had so much fun working on this bathroom. It's pretty much done, but I still have a few things more that I want to do, like adding some art prints, so I'm probably gonna make another video for that update. But yeah, thank you again for watching my video. If you like this video, give me a subscribe because I'm gonna be doing a lot more makeover in the future. And if you have any question at all, I will be reading every single comment, so comment down below. I had this whole entire series on Instagram and TikTok, so if you want to check it out, my Instagram and TikTok is karukeki. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. Bye! See you in 2 weeks!